Hello foodie, welcome to our channel. Today we are preparing vegetable biryani, a one-pot recipe, which is a blend of spices, colorful vegetables and basmati rice. I am sure most of you love it. Comment down if you like vegetable biryani. However, when we crave for biryani, the only option that comes to our mind is to order from outside, because preparing biryani at home seems like a hassle to us. What if I tell you that you can make it at home in simple steps, without compromising the taste and most importantly hygiene? By doing so you will also do a favor to your heart by not consuming excessive oily food. So, do try out this recipe and indulge in aromatic and spicy vegetable biryani. Let us know in the comment section if you like the recipe. You can serve it with raita and your favorite paneer dish. You can also watch Paneer Makhni recipe on our channel. Cheers to home food. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more such simple and easy recipe.